The thing that we have to realize about the stock market is that the stock market just doesn't go up. It just doesn't go down. It just doesn't go sideways. Each day is a day of its own. And sometimes we're going to have a bull market. Sometimes it's just the market's just going to be consolidating. And sometimes it's just going to be going down. But we have to kind of know our process when buying stock. And I was thinking about this because right now the market is going down right now. It's in a pattern to where it's in a certain consolidation, but it's going steadily down. And I was thinking about how a lot of times people panic during this time because, obviously your portfolio may be red right now. Some people's are green, still green. Some people may be showing red right now. And that can cause concern because nobody want to see red. You want to see green. You want to see your portfolio going up. But we have to realize that the market is going to go down sometimes. And we have to train our mind and train our eyes to know that this is opportunity. Red is opportunity. Same way you go to the store and you see something on discount. You see, a food on discount. And your eyes light up because you see that it's a discount. You see that you have a chance to buy something at a lower price. The same way that we should look at the stock market when the market is down. And it doesn't look good, It doesn't feel good when the market is down. We still have to train our eyes to know that the market is giving us an opportunity to buy things at a discount. And I wanted to show or share 3 opportunity points when buying stock at a discount. So the first is a correction. And the correction is when the stock market is down 10%. That's a correction. And that's a buying opportunity to buy more stock. The second, I should have said first, is a pullback, which is at 5%. That gives us an opportunity to buy more stock at a discount. And the third is a bear market. That's when the market is down 20%. So you have 3 intervals, 5%, 10%, and 20%. And I say that to share that when the market goes down and drops down at these intervals, that gives us an opportunity to buy more stock. And what I do when the market hits a certain percent, like 5%, I have a certain amount in my mind that, hey, I'm going to put this amount to buy more stock. And then when it hit 10%, I have a certain amount in my mind wrote down that, hey, I'm going to buy this amount. And then when it hits 20%, I have a certain amount in my mind that, hey, I'm going to buy this amount. And what I do is that as the market goes down more and more at deeper discounts, I buy more stock. Meaning when the stock market is down 5%, I'm not going to go all in because it's a discount, but it's not a huge discount. And then when the market is down 10%, I'm going to invest more and buy more stock because the market is, a little bit better or it's at a deeper discount. So I'm going to buy more stock. And then when it's at 20%, I'm going to go even heavier because I'm getting a better discount. So that's a great way to buy more stock. The deeper the percentage drop, the more opportunity or the better you have at buying more because you're getting a better discount. So that's one method I use. And think about Warren Buffett. He's known as a value investor. He buys things at discount. He calls it the margin of safety. When you are buying assets at such a discount, that gives you a better chance at better returns. Whereas if you are buying stock with no purpose or no plan, say for example, a stock is at an all-time high and you buy that stock, it's good buying the stock, but are you buying it at a discount? You don't really have a high margin of safety. You're not creating a way to buy something at a deep discount so you can have a better return. So that's the goal of investing. That's how we should think when we see these deep drops and we see the market going down. we should say, hey, this is an opportunity, and your eyes should light up because we are buying things at a discount, and that's what we should do, and that's how real wealth is built. So I just want to share it with you guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this conversation. Let me know your plans as far as what are you doing when you are buying stock, and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you guys are doing during these times. Peace.